Welcome back, children. Welcome to e-learning mathematics classes. Today in this video, we will learn about temperature. So what is temperature? Temperature is the measure to describe how hot or cold something is. So temperature helps us to measure the hotness or the coldness of something. Okay? The instrument used to measure the temperature is called thermometer. A thermometer measures temperature in 2 degrees, degree Fahrenheit or degree Celsius. A thermometer shows the temperature of the air. It shows how warm the air is. So, have you all seen a thermometer, children? Yes, we all have seen a thermometer, and it finds out how hot or how cold the object is. So, these are the basic units to measure the temperature, that is Fahrenheit and Celsius. So, we call it degree Fahrenheit. This small zero on the top is known as degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. The more is the reading, the hotter is the body. So the more we find the reading on the thermometer, we can say that the body is hot. And if the less is the reading of the thermometer, the colder is the body. So if the degree is less, then it is colder. Okay, so now let us take some examples. For example, say 40 degrees Celsius. So is it a hot day? Suppose the temperature of a day is 40 degrees Celsius. So what you would say? Is it a hot day or a cold day? Of course, it is so much more than 0, right? So it is a hot day. Now if I say 10 degrees Celsius, so this will be a cold day. Okay, or a cool day. So in this way we can determine the temperature shown on the thermometer. The normal temperature of the human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. So in Fahrenheit it is 98.4 degree normal temperature of the human body and 37 degree in Celsius. So if the temperature goes above these, then we say that we have fever. Okay, so these are the normal temperature of the human body. The thermometer used by a doctor to measure the temperature of a human body is called clinical thermometer. So the thermometer which we use to measure the human body temperature is known as clinical thermometer. Now we will learn how we can convert from one unit to another to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. If the unit is given in Fahrenheit, F, and we have to change it into Celsius, then what is the formula that we can use to convert? Okay, so suppose F is given as 122 degree Fahrenheit. We have to convert this Fahrenheit degree in Celsius degree. So we cannot just write 122 degrees Celsius. This will be wrong, because 1 Fahrenheit is not equals to 1 degree Celsius. This is not true. So we cannot write that. We cannot directly write 122 degree Fahrenheit is equals to 122 degrees Celsius. There is a formula to convert, to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. 3 steps we have to follow. First of all, we will subtract the Fahrenheit by 32. Then we will multiply by 9 and multiply by 5 and divide by 9. The result will be in degree Celsius. So let us start with 122 degree Fahrenheit. So first step is subtract 32, then multiply by 5 and divide by 9. So let us do it. 122 minus 32 will give you 90, right? Now we have to multiply it by 5 and divide by 9. Then multiply it by 5, we'll get here 450. Divide by 9 now. 9 5s are 45 and the 1 0. So 50 degrees Celsius. So our answer here is 50 degrees Celsius. So was it easy? Right? This was easy. So just you have to learn this formula properly. Now how we can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit? If the question is given in Celsius, degree Celsius, how we can change it into Fahrenheit? Using the formula. Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit is equals to degree Celsius, multiply by 9, divide by 5, then add 32. So here also there are 3 steps but different steps. First multiply by 9, then divide by 5, then add 32. So let us take one example. For example, the question is given as 700. Suppose Celsius is given as 80 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now we have to convert this 80 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit. What is the first step? First multiply by 9, divide by 5 and then add 32. So 8 9 is 72, 720 divide by 5 plus 32. Now divide by 5, second step. Now if we divide 720 by 5, here we will get 5 1s are 5, 2, then this 2, 5 4s are 20, then this 2 and this 0 will come here, and again 5 4s are 20. So here we will get 144 plus 32 is left. Now if you add it, you will get 176 degree Fahrenheit. The result, the answer will be 176 degree Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit scale. Okay, so in this way we can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. The only thing is you have to learn the steps, the formula. Okay, so thank you for watching.